All right, I'm back with another one. It's the imini 2 from Olight. I already opened it, but we're gonna open it again. Show you what you get. So, here's the light. Here's your instructions. Here's a keychain clip, backpack clip, whatever you want to use it for. And this is, I believe, an extra cover for the charging port. So this is the charging port. You just plug it in, charges it. I need to swap the batteries out. This is the black, come in a few other different colors. And then turn it on. Just take it out. Fairly bright, as you can see. Very strong magnet. Gotta give it the Olight. That's pretty much it. Not much else to it. Definitely a must-have. You need a keychain light in your truck. You can just plug it into the USB port, leave it in there, pop it out when you need it. Pop back in. Keep your little port cover on here. Show the keychain clip that protects the port. And that's it. Grab yourself one.